Hello everyone, Penny here from the Junk Journal Ministry, and that's just Penny. I have some November kits for you. Super excited. Some of these could be October as well, but I just wanted to show you what I've been working on, and these will be available soon. They will be on the main site. They'll be in the Etsy shop, so the ministry's Etsy shop, so please check out the links down below where you can get your very own copies. This is the Moments with the Lord pumpkin pocket, and this is a pocket. This is the pocket, this is the base, and this is the pocket. So here it is. I'm super excited. Look at this. It's not very big. It's not a real big pocket because I wanted to be able to mail these out as little cute little racks or whatever. So it has these elements. They're made to fit into the pocket. It says blessings, so that's that kit. And this is a Harvest Moon Notelet mini book, and this is like a little journal. Super excited. This is the moon, and I was reading Psalms and Proverbs 7, and this is kind of what I wanted to do for whenever I go on camp. I wanted to have a little journal, just something really little, and I was gonna put either do it in a ring or kind of, I don't know what I'll do, but anyway, I wanted to have a shape journal. So this is the front and back cover, and then I printed the background. The background page comes with all these kits. Okay, so these are the pages. All right, this is the lined ones, and then that's the, of course, you can print many of these. You know, you have to print more, add your own, and then cut out the template, whatever. But this is the front and back cover. Now, here is another one. This is Moments with the Lord Notelet mini book, journal with lined pages. And here is another one. I just love this. And these are reversed, so it's front and back cover. And it has a little banner that says Harvest Time, and I printed these out. Now, these black lines, I did these black lines so that you could run them through your scan and cut, or so they're easier to cut out. So I made them all kind of like stickers, but you just cut away the black lines, or if you like the black lines, you can leave them. Either way. So here are the pages. These pages actually go on the back, like if you wanted to put them on the back of those. And here are the pages, and you can print as many of these as you want to put in the little book. And then I thought about binding it on this side right here, binding it right through here so that I could have it in flip. So it's a shape book. So I've got two shape books. They're little mini books, and you can use these for notes too if you wanted to use them. This is the Moments with the Lord stickers, and there's only 3 stickers. They're 3 different sizes. But look at the difference between the colors. Do you see the difference between the colors? This is regular paper. This is cardstock. This is printed in standard, I believe, and this one's printed in the ICM mode for digitals. So there's those. This is the Moments with the Lord ladies and flowers, and I love these. Look at these. Isn't it beautiful? Look how vibrant this lady is. And there's different sizes, 2 and 4, and then we have the standing lady here. But then we have some big, beautiful bow flowers. These are probably about 3, these are 2, 3, and 4 inches. These were designed to use in Bible journaling, but you could use them in any journal. This is the Harvest Field Pocket and Stickers. And I created the whole landscape. And here's my stickers. This was several stickers, several images that I put together. Super cute. Drew some of it by hand and things like that. So, isn't this cute? These are stickers. Now, you just cut out cut out the black and white. And there's some, the reason I did this is so that you have, like, they call it bleed whenever you do the cutting. They call it a bleed. Look at this pocket. This is a new pocket. I haven't had this pocket. I haven't done this pocket. This is a huge pocket. It's about a 4 by 6. And I did this so that you could, maybe if you wanted to put it in your journal this way, or your Bible, or if you wanted to mail it, you could mail it. So this, you just cut it out, fold it in the middle, glue the sides, and you have your pocket. And these are the little elements that I designed to go with it. I love this set. Here is the Harvest Field journal papers with some elements. Super cute. It's the same as the pocket, but it's the pages, journal pages. Now, I painted this up here at the top. I did all kinds of layering to come up with this landscape. Absolutely love it. And my son said, "Mom, you should frame that." He said, that's beautiful. So I think it's really neat. When I was growing up as a child, I lived on a farm, of course, and so this brings back a lot of memories to me. We had a blue tractor, and we had a blue lawnmower, and we had a red tractor and a red lawnmower, and we had a blue truck and a red truck and yellow truck and things like that. So we had a little, this is more of a modern wagon, but we had one on an old tractor similar to that, and the old barn on a barn. So it's just, it brings back a lot of memories as a pumpkin patch. So I'm super excited for these. This is another one. It's a little bit lighter than this one. And then it has some writing whenever you fold these. They're intended for you to fold like this. And you can write up here and journal and things like that. And of course you can print the background paper. I didn't do that on these. But you can. The background paper that I showed you before, you can print that on the back of these, and you know, you would have a journal paper. So you could add this within your own journal papers, your, you know, coffee dye papers and things like that. Here are the sticker elements. These are super cute. I put all these together, did some color changing and added layers, and the pumpkins have some little cute bows, and you could absolutely write in there on these little fence posts. You could write in there. So that is the kit that I have created so far. So stay tuned. Check out all the links down below. And these will be coming out in November. I have sent them to the design team right now for them to work on. And then on November 1st, these will be available. And some of these may be available on the main site already. Just some of the, I think, let's see, the one page. This one's available on the site now for you to download. So if you want to know how to make all of these, stay tuned for my YouTube videos that I will show you how to construct the little mini books and the pockets that I showed you as well. So check out all the links down below and stay tuned. I have some more releases that I'm going to show you in the next video. Bye everyone.